Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to hide your active status in Instagram. So let's begin. First thing you're gonna do is click your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Next, click the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and look for messages and story replies. Now click Show Activity Status. Once you're here, all you have to do is click the button and your activity status should be hidden. And that's pretty much it. Now your friends won't be able to tell when you're online. Same goes for the people you follow and anyone you message. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.